Latex chocolate. What are we gonna do? We're gonna eat food. These toys that they are throwing away. Hey everyone, welcome back to Binning Frenzy. Here we are out again, looking to score something. Yeah, some of them are not. That one.
This one is up.
No, that one is not.
But look, the tops are here.
Oh,
I wonder if you could...
glue it back.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. Let's put a couple. What's that? Are you bringing in the stack? Yeah, stacks. Really empty.
Yeah.
Bed Bath and Beyond.
Come
Let's
on,
see.
baby. Let's have some good stuff.
Oh, there's some stuff and it's full.
Yeah, no, I'm going to park out here, though. Park easy.
Is there any returns for us in here? Because this is full. Ugh, looks like nasty. Yes! I can see it. 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 Relax. I can see green and ooh, I got this. Got it. Everything. So we're gonna check this
A
out.
lot of stuff in there.
Look at this. A score. We are gonna check all of it. I'm gonna get a thing. All right.
Okay.
I'm gonna go help Gigi
What is
out.
this?
Oh, a turntable?
Yes.
I want the turntable.
I want this.
I want a turntable. A plant stand for the plants. Oh, a dish rack. Yes.
No, that's not a dish rack.
Or a cookie thingy, whatever. Christmas score. Oh,
Is this in here?
I am going. Look at the Christmas score. Sorry, I just want to
yes,
show
this
you.
is in here.
Look, all right, I'm gonna help Gigi. Okay. Some Santa Claus. This one is a heated blanket. Oh, a plant. I'm getting this. The plant. That's in there.
Yes.
Oh,
Isa,
this is really
I
nice.
hear dollar signs.
I hear dollar signs. Shoe rack. A shoe rack. A Crocs.
Artesian blender for coffee.
Let's get this. Look at this. I'm gonna start loading them up. Gigi's still. A thermos, electric kettle.
This is a coffee maker.
It's electric kettle.
Oh, what's that there?
Oh, is it broken?
I don't know. Check it out.
Oh no, it's supposed to be like that.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Let's figure this out.
Ooh, check this.
What is that?
Gift card.
There's more gift card. We have been lucky tonight. Look, we fill up Gigi's car again. Ah, look what we've got.
We got the score.
A big score in Bed Bath and Beyond.
That ninja thing. You guys drink coffee, right?
Yes, we do drink coffee. We got yes.
It's like a $300.
Here I'm gonna show you what did we got from Bed Bath and Beyond. So first, let's start off with this. This is a grinder, a coffee grinder. It's still brand new. It's still in the box. What happened is it's after Christmas holidays. People return them, their gift or whatnot, and stores doesn't want to put them back on the shelf. So what they do is they would throw them out. They would put some water-based spray paint in it, so they cannot put them back on the shelves, and then they just throw it in the dumpster. So we got that. I got this This is a Ninja dual brew coffee system. So with all of this stuff right here, it's still in the box. As I've said, they just spray it, the box right there, and it's still inside. The Ninja blender is inside still. This is a filter, water filter, Brita water filter. Let me put that in there so I could show you. See, they spray it. We got this. This is a Shurak. We got this. It's a dollhouse. It's a big set dollhouse. Look at that. It's everything is in there. It's a return to the store, and they just have the broken box over here. They return it and they don't want it, so people doesn't want to sell it back and put them back on the shelf. So what they do is they throw it away. That Santa Claus is a, you know, after Christmas holidays decorations, and they throw them out because Christmas is over. So got that, and I did plug it in so to make sure that it works, so that's great. Rack for like when you're baking and stuff like that, you just slide it off, it's still in there. Oh, and we got a heated blanket. It's a king size heated blanket, but Gigi has a garage light. There you go. We got 2 of this. Got that from there too. I've got this personal blender. It's a blender jet. They usually put in like a return reason why it's returned or why is it thrown away. It says that it's just the charger is missing, and this is like a USB-C charger, so I tried it and it turned on. Look, let's push this in. See, turn on. It's a personal blender. And what else? Oh, this one. These are like planters. They just the ceramic base, but they don't have the metal that goes along with it, but that's fine. I have plenty of those and I love them. Look, they sprayed it. See, again, you sprayed it. So just need to, like, see, they have some orange spray on it. Just need to scrub it down and get got this cereal. They're in there. Some chocolate reduced fat. This one. Ooh. And this. Pretzels. Got the snacks at the Dollar Tree along with this. See, all the just the boxes, they're smooth. So it's like a case of them. They throw it out. The M&M's peanuts, my favorite. And this is like the peanut butter one. See, the box are just, and they don't want to put it up in the shelves and sell it. So it's ours. I got this, some turkey gravy, which will expire in like October 11, 2023. Yum yum. This is I like albacore, and this is in vegetable oil too. This is a tuna in can. It will expire in April 20, 2024. It's just because they throw it out because the tin can is dented. They throw it out. And this tomato sauce, it will expire in 2023. Yep. So, and this is the French fries. Where's the expiry date for this? Yep, April 2022. Look, the expiry date. Just throw it out. Still have a couple months before it expires, and then they throw them away. And this brown jersey, I think it's like a gloves or something, work gloves or something. Yeah, there's like 12 pairs in there. Oh yeah, it's a glove. Still brand new. Oh, and this, it's a sound machine. They spray it. See? Because they don't want to put it back in the shops and sell it. So I just need to scrub that out and clean it out. And that's a white noise for sleep machine. Sleep. That's it. That's what we got tonight. And thank you for tuning in.
Don't forget to hit the bell button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and also give us a big thumbs up. Yay!